Hi, my little artist friends. Welcome to our colorful drawing world. Today, we're going to draw Stitch, hugging his tiny yellow duck friend. Now, let's see what colors we need. Yellow, orange, pink, blue, black. Are you ready? Let's start our drawing together.
3, 2, 1!
Today's drawing is super easy, so don't worry at all. You can totally do it. Just stay with me till the end, and we'll make something amazing together. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun and keep smiling while you draw. I know you're gonna do an awesome job. Every like is a wave of energy. Be with us. Create a beautiful world. Like and subscribe. Good vibes are even stronger with you. Give your like and let happiness double. Thanks for spending your time. Like and subscribe and be with us.